Yeah, dude. What's up, Tarzan fam? We back with another vid. You already know. We back at Crunch Fitness for the last workout. You already know. We with our boy Walker right here. You already know. So we're gonna have a great day. You already know we got a fresh cut lined up. Shout out my barber, Xavier, bro. He's a dog. But yeah, man, this is the last lift back in Roanoke, man. Crunch membership canceled, bro. And we're just gonna hit like a little shoulder day, maybe some abs, maybe, you know, do some chest, maybe a little sprinkle, you never know. So we're just gonna vibe with whatever, and we're just gonna have a great lift, to be honest. So we're gonna go in and get after it, man. I'm gonna pop my code up right here, capital T, Tarzan1 at Get Around Nutrition. If y'all need subs, protein powder, pre-workout clothes, you already know the drill. It's there if y'all need it. No pressure, man. Hope y'all enjoy the vid. So we just touched down in the gym, just landed in here. We're gonna move into the shoulder day. Gonna start with some military press. I did some pull-ups to warm up the back a little bit. Whenever I do chest or really shoulder or big pressing movement, I like to warm up my back. Just stability back there. Always like to warm up the back side. Pause. But yeah, dude, we're gonna have a great lift, and just can't believe it's the last one, bro. I've been going here ever since I've been 13. I'm 19 now. I have 13, 14, I'm 19. So a lot of memories here. It's seen everything, man. The old Tarzan with the long hair, man. New Tarzan with the short hair, man. So a lot of memories, man. But we're gonna have a great lift. Enjoy it, man. So, but there's a new chapter, man. We're closing this book, opening a new one, and we're gonna keep on grinding, keep on being positive, and having that mentality, man. So, my boy Walker getting it in, man. He a little back and by day. So, yeah, man. Yeah, dude. So prime example right there, like, dude, that was nowhere close to where I can possibly do, but I just need to take more rest days, bro. I struggle with that. Today was actually supposed to be a complete rest day, bro. Yeah, get it, bro, but I need to start doing that because I haven't taken one in about 3 weeks, something like that. Hey. Them veins, bro. Woo! How was that set on a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
That's what I like to hear,
10.
dude.
Every time 10.
That's what we like to hear. Never did this before. Dude, I'm dead. I wish I almost passed out on that one. So that's a wrap on that little shoulder day. I didn't do nothing too crazy. Today was supposed to be a rest day, but I was like, nah, bro, I got to come in here, hit a last good lift because my lift yesterday was horrible. And I got in on a good note, man. So we just wrapped that up, you know what I mean? Chilling with Walker, bro. We finna chill. Good. No, bro. Man, he's chilling, bro. So we're just going to chill out, man, and enjoy the rest of the day, man. And I hope y'all are chilling, having a great day wherever y'all seeing this, man. So thank y'all for watching, man. Like and subscribe. I appreciate it out of the world, man. Let's keep on going up. Let's keep on grinding, man. And I'll catch y'all on the next vid, man. Peace.